A horizontal force of 10 pounds. Okay, the force is of 10 pounds on the box. As it pushes up a ramp that is 9 feet long, the displacement is 9, has a magnitude 9 feet, and inclined at an angle of 30 degrees. So the angle between the force and the displacement vector is 30 degrees. We need to find the work. Okay, so say if we have the box here, the force, let me denote by F, then the magnitude of F is 10 pounds. And the displacement vector 9 feet, let us denote by D, vector D. Displacement vector 9 feet. And the angle inclined 30 degrees above the horizontal. So this angle is 30 degrees. We need to compute the work, which W is, we need to compute the work. So the work W is the dot product of F dot D, which is magnitude of F, magnitude of D, and the cosine of the angle, which is 30 degrees. So 10 times 9 times cosine 30 degrees. 45 square root of 3 feet.